Finally we're home. We've been to Asda and done a shop. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you exactly what I've got. Where shall I start? Okay, I'm going to start here at the beginning. So, fresh fruit and salad and that sort of stuff, and the fridge stuff. So, picked up this double pack of romaine lettuce, spring onions, a pack of the salad tomatoes, and a little punnet of the baby plum tomatoes, a cucumber, some celery, a pack of mixed peppers, some mushrooms. These are the big flat mushrooms here, these ones. Some radish, pack of radish, 2 packs of broccoli, because I'm going to do Stilton broccoli soup again, some carrots, parsnips, leeks, baby potatoes. Then over here I've got some the brown onions, a pack of jacket potatoes and a pack of sweet potatoes, a watermelon here, and a bag of spinach. Then going on to the fruit other than the watermelon, which is there, some seedless grapes and a pack of strawberries, along with, Teddy, get down please, some blueberries. There's the blueberries there. Down, come on, good boy. Some fat-free Greek yogurt and some fat-free cottage cheese. I thought I'd give Bob a go. No, I've used this before and it's really nice. I'm actually really preferring it just lately, so I thought I'd pick up Bob again. Okay, here, 2 packs of the Baby Val Light. This is my Stilton here for the Stilton and broccoli soup. One of these, I can't believe it's so good. This must be Asda's own, I think. Yeah, I reckon it is. Some reduced fat Brussels pâté, 40% less fat in the salad cheese. I've got 2 of those. I've got a pack of the Laughing Cow light blue cheese triangles and just the ordinary light cheese triangles, a pack of pastrami and a pack of ham here. There's quite a lot in this one. Okay, let's move along a little bit, shall we? So I'm going to go on to store cupboard stuff now. So picked up 3 jars of coffee. You know that this is my favourite coffee, the Law coffee. 6 tins of chickpeas, a loaf of the extra special spout and rye bread. That's 400-gram loaf. The dogs are playing. Why? Every time I want to do video. Why? Let him have a drink. That's what he wants. He wants a drink. Yes. And you can get down. Get, Mrs. Down you get. Elsie, down. Good girl. 2 lots of the 2 cartons of eggs. There, 15 of the free-range mixed size eggs. Got 2 of those. Okay, let's move over here. Some Fry Light, a jar of pickled onions, some tomato puree, corned beef, pickled eggs, basmati rice, the yellow mustard for like going in whatever you want it in, like burgers, rolls, whatever. A pack of 6 wholemeal pita breads. Oh, crikey. Over here, 4 cans of reduced sugar baked beans, and under here 4 cans of the Napolina peeled plum tomatoes. Then here, so here I've got some more of the pedigree dog pouches, and thought I'd try them on this, which is the High Life turkey and chicken, flavoured with bacon and vegetables, no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. So, and it's soft, moist and meaty, so I thought give them that, try them on that for a change. And then got a pack of 16 toilet rolls and, oh, if I can reach it, and a Zoflora. This is Hello Spring. So that is all the groceries that I picked up. So they're all a little bit on top of each other at the moment. Then I bought some amazing stuff in the sale. Okay, so I picked up this. Look at this coat. I was actually looking at this in the winter and they didn't actually have it in our Asda in my size, but today they did. And £30 reduced to £8. Can you believe that? £8. I absolutely love this, and even though I'm on Slimming World and losing weight, I think even if this is too big and oversized, it will still be fine with like jumpers under it and everything. So that was the first thing I got. Then I saw this in the sale. So it's a, I suppose it's a snake print, isn't it? Reptile-y. And it's so soft, so super soft. It's absolutely, oh, it just feels lovely. And so I saw this, and this was originally, let's have a look, it was originally £10 and they've reduced it down to £3. And then I saw this little skirt, so it's navy blue with white and red polka dots on it. It's like a bit of a geometric shape at the front, so this is obviously the front here, and it's got a little split there, and it's geometric, as you can see. The waistband is like this, it's got a little stripe across it. The back of the waistband is elasticated, so it was reduced from, there you go, £14 down to £4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, £15. I got a skirt, I got a jumper and I got a coat. £64 worth of clothes, and I got for 15. So you can imagine, can't you? I'm absolutely made up with that. I mean, what a bargain. Yeah. Anyway, so what I need to tell you is the total of what I spent in Asda for this shop, including the clothes, came to £106. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.